Good day everyone! So for today's video, ididemo ko po yung ping pong. So ping pong is also known as table tennis. It originated in England in late 19th century as a parlor game the upper class. Sa paglaro ng tennis, ang kailangan ay paddle o racket, bola, net at table. Penhold grip is from a circle around the handle with the index finger on the backhand side and the thumb on the forehand side. Para ka lang humahawak ng ballpen. So, ganito yon. Ganito yung front. Yan. Front. And then, for the back, so that's it. That is the penhold grip. Shake hand grip. Ganito yung paghawak. Yung thumb ay nasa harap at yung ating index finger ay nandun sa likod. Ganito yung back. And so hit. Ganito po yung pag sa backhand. And front. Ganito po yung paghawak. Thank you so much.